Let's make this quick and clear. So, if you're using a Pluxee card and want to know how much balance is left before making a payment, checking it is actually very simple, but only if you know where to look. A lot of users end up guessing or waiting until a transaction fails, which isn't ideal. The smarter way is to check your balance in advance so you always stay in control of your spending. Whether you prefer using your phone, website, or even a quick check option, the process takes just a minute. Once you know the exact steps, it becomes something you can do anytime without thinking. Let's go through it. Try these. 1. Open the Pluxee app on your phone or visit the official website. 2. Log in using your registered account details. 3. Select your card from the main dashboard. 4. View the available balance displayed on the screen. 5. Refresh the page if the balance doesn't update instantly. 6. Use the balance info before making any transaction.